Hello, hello, hello. How are you? This is Els coming from bmascraftycorner, and today we're going to resolve a problem. So a lot of us have a lot of these, and we have no place to put them. We have it in a box, this, that, and the other thing, and no place to put them. So I saw somebody do this, and I thought it was really cool. So I wanted to share it with you guys. We're going to build a rack for these. Okay? So I'm going to get all of the stuff out. Everything is pretty much from the Dollar Tree on this one. I'm going to get some stuff out and show you what we're going to need and how we're going to put this thing together. And we are going to build a little paint rack. It's cute. You know, it's just a little paint rack. I don't know. I don't have any idea how many we can put in there, but we'll find out. But, so we're going to build that. I'll be right back. So, I'm going to get out a piece of board here, cardboard, so that I can protect my work surface. And you're going to need some scissors. 2 of these napkin holders from the Dollar Tree. I know, right? Some zip ties, which you can also get at the Dollar Tree, and some E6000 Gorilla Glue, something like that, okay? So this one's really simple. All you have to do is put this together like this, okay? And we're going to put some Gorilla Glue on one of these. If I can get it open. That is why pliers were designed. Alright. Opening Gorilla Glue. So I'm going to put some Gorilla Glue on these metal rods right here. This is obviously going to take some time to set up and cure, but you get the gist. And then I'm going to take some of these zip ties, and you probably want to use shorter ones, but this is all they had at mine. And then we're going to set this on its side, put these together, just like that. And then we're going to put some zip ties on here. And don't tighten these down all the way, because you want to make sure that you get everything lined up before you tighten them down. So I'm going to leave them a little loose. I'm going to put one top and bottom on both sides. Now, if you have some clamps, you can do this with clamps, obviously. Zip ties is just, you know, kind of an easier way. Everybody's got it kind of thing. So you can see I'm leaving them all nice and loose. Let's turn this a little bit. Okay. Alright, so once I have all 4 of them on here, I'm going to make sure that I got this all lined up just the way I want it. And then I'm going to tighten these down. Alright. Last one. Okay, so now I'm going to put this off to the side and let it dry, and then when I come back we'll finish it, okay? So as of right at this moment, it should look like this, okay? Got my Gorilla Glue on there, got it all strapped together with my zip ties. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to put 2 more on it, or at least 1 more right here in the middle, because I got the long ones. I could do 1 more. Right through the middle here. right, there we go. So now I have it all zip tied together, and I'm going to set this aside, and I'm going to let it dry for 24 hours. For you guys, it'll be minutes, but I'll be right back to show you, how this works. Be back in a minute. Through the magic of editing, here we are. It is all glued up. I have taken off the straps, cut those all off, and now it's like one solid piece. So, if you wanted to make this twice as large, you could make a second one and glue it to the top here, and then you can either stand them side by side or one on top of the other, however you want to do it. But basically, the way this would work is you would put your paint in here, and as you can see, it holds 6 bottles, and then the 4-ounce bottles fit in here, so you can put your paint in there, you can put in your glue, and I also found out that the larger 8-ounce bottle actually fits in there as well. So you could hold 12, build it up, 24 bottles of paint, plus the 4 inside, so 28 bottles. So, you rolling away on me now? So that's it. That's all I have for you today, guys. Listen, if you're new here and you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends. Then your friends can be my friends, and my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends. And before you know it, we have a giant crafting community. I go live on Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Sundays at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's 11, 12, and 1 across the country. And I release videos on Mondays and Wednesdays. Starting January of 2022, I'm going to be doing a free class. The first of which, it'll be a series, so the first of which is going to be a little golden book. So how to take a little golden book and make it into a journal while preserving the actual story in the little golden book. So if that's something that you're interested in, please check it out. I will put the link to that, as well as if I can find the original video that I saw this on, I will put that down there as well. That's all I have for you. Until the next time, guys, stay safe. Bye-bye.